In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact Monday.com live chat support step by step. If you're running into issues with your boards, automations, billing, integrations, or anything else inside Monday.com, getting in touch with their support team quickly can save you a lot of time and frustration. I'll walk you through where to find the Help Center, how to access the chat option, and what to expect when you connect with their AI assistant. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Help Center on the Monday.com website or from inside your account dashboard. Log into your Monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the top menu area of your screen. You'll see a question mark icon, which represents the Help section. Click on that question mark icon to open the Help menu. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its support resources, including guides, tutorials, and contact options. After clicking the question mark, you'll see a drop-down or panel with different support-related options. From there, select the option that takes you to the Help Center. The Help Center is where you can search for articles, browse common topics, and most importantly, access live chat support. If you're not logged in, you can also go directly to the Monday.com website and scroll down to find the Help Center link in the footer. Either way, you need to be inside the Help Center area to move on to the next step. Once you're inside the Help Center, the next step is to select the Chat with Us option. Depending on your screen size, you'll usually see a chat bubble icon in the bottom corner of the page. Click on that chat icon to open the chat window. In some cases, you may first need to search for a topic or click on a support article before the chat option becomes visible. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down slightly or look at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you click Chat with Us, a small chat window will pop up asking how they can help. This is your entry point to Monday.com's live chat support system. After opening the chat window, you'll be connected to Monday.com's AI Assistant live chats. The AI Assistant will usually start by asking you to briefly describe your issue. Type in a clear and specific explanation of the problem you're experiencing. For example, you can mention the board name, the feature that isn't working, or any error messages you're seeing. The more details you provide, the faster the system can guide you to a solution. In many cases, the AI assistant will suggest relevant help articles right away. If those suggestions don't solve your issue, you'll typically have the option to continue the conversation and get connected to a human support representative, depending on your plan and support level. Before you start the chat, it's a good idea to gather any important information, such as screenshots, error messages, or the names of the boards involved. This will make the conversation smoother and help the support team resolve your issue more efficiently. And that's it. That's exactly how you contact Monday.com live chat support step by step. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.